Hi Ivan, this is Kevin. What we're going to do is show you how to remove the junction box cover. Behind the wires you'll see there's a little lip there, and what we're going to do is we're going to grab an Allen wrench. It can be anything. It can be a pencil with an eraser at the end. It could be a pen. All we're going to do is we're just going to push on the front there, and this cap comes off. This is the junction box cover. We're going to look at the contacts. You'll see that there's a little push button here. Push and pull. Push down and pull. This is going to give us access to the, sorry, I'm looking at the wrong ones, the channels. Those channels there are what we want to spray. I have electric contact spray. You can also use WD-40. We're just going to give it a little bit of spray on the metal contacts. We're going to plug it back in, and then we're going to put the junction box cover back on. To do that, you're going to start from the bottom here and then go up to click it in. And that's it.